Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Snowbreak Containment Zone game crashing at startup, not loading, not launching, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error or any other kind of issues on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam, under store, you should find the game, search for the game over here and then go below, and here you can find the system requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure to follow these requirements, and after that try to play the game and see if it works. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general. Here in the launch option you have to type -dx11, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you to fix the problem. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then go click on browse local files. This will take you to the game where your game has been installed. Click on game, then click on binaries, then Win64, and here the game application over here. So simply select it, right click on it, click on properties, and click on compatibility, and here click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now check if this works. If not, then simply tap on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, or even you can select Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search option over here, search for Windows Defender firewall, then click on allow an app, then click on change settings, and here you need to check if your game has been listed over here. If not, then click on allow another app, go to the browse section, select where your game has been installed, select the application and add over here. So it's saying the game is listed already, so you can see it has been already listed. So simply select the game, right, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, now it's time to update your graphics card. So make sure to update your graphics card. For that, go to search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for driver. So this will install the latest drivers on your system, and after that check if the issue is resolved. Apart from this, I have also provided the link in the description for NVIDIA and AMD users. Simply go through the link and download the latest version of graphics card and then try to play the game. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. Now you need to search for the game. If not listed, then go to add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game and add to the list over here. After that, go below, and here it has been listed. So under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next solution is to check graphics settings. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like resolution, texture quality or any other that impacts the game, in that situation you are suggested to lower the graphics settings and then try to play the game. Hopefully this solution will help to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. It's enabled, so simply click on it and then it will be disabled. So after that, try to launch the game and check if it works. For GeForce experience, open GeForce experience, click on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options. Apart from this, for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and from here you can switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the task manager, under process tab, search for those apps which are of no use. Simply select it, select the app, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the apps running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Here you should check if your Windows need any update. If yes, then simply click on check for updates and it will show you if there is any update available. After your Windows are updated, now try to play the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy and paste the link into your browser and download the latest Visual C++ files on your PC and then install it, and after that try to play the game and check if it works. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for view advanced system settings, and then click on settings over here, then click on advanced, then click on change option, and then select custom size. Here you need to type 24576 in the initial size, and maximum size will be 49152, that is 49152, and after that click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. If not, the last option is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and then click on uninstall option over here. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam, reinstall the game, and then try to play it. Hopefully you can play now the game without any further problem. So these are few solutions suggested to fix Snowbreak game crashing or not launching or not loading error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.